Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dhara. So, the global cryptocurrency market on Wednesday rebounded slightly after closing in red for 4 consecutive days. A recent report from Bank of America Merrill Lynch has identified several bullish trends in the cryptocurrency market, indicating change in investor sentiment. So, the bank has concluded that the recent rise in the crypto outflows from exchanges and a rise in stablecoin net inflows has signaled a bullish market trend going forward as well. So, IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 3% at 33,225 points. Bitcoin was trading at $23,400, up 2.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4.6% to trade at $1,657. So, what BofA believes that the fading selling pressure in the market has now turned into a buying momentum. That's what they have written in a note. So, which can also be seen in an 11% rise in the digital assets market between June 29th and July 26th, despite recording a 56% downtrend YTD. That's what they have indicated, which is a positive price action comes in the market exceptionally on the back of exceptionally high CPI numbers and the Federal Reserve decisions to undertake its greatest rate hike in 20 years. So, the bank has also suggested that investors have adapted to the current macroeconomic turbulence and are ready to venture back into the risk-on territory, which is actually the cryptocurrency market. So, the recent trend has also showed that the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and FTX native token FTT have all experienced hefty inflows on wallets and away from the crypto exchanges. Please remember, this is often understood as a bullish signal because investors typically move assets off exchanges when they are simply interested in holding on the assets. So keep an eye on this news. And the main reason why they are bullish on this sector is the data points. The top 4 stablecoins by market cap, which is USDT, USDC, BUSD, and DAI, have experienced actually 3 consecutive weeks of inflows, which is actually around $1.4 billion. So, unlike inflows to exchanges from volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the inflow to exchanges from stablecoin could be understood as the bullish note the bank has actually attributed to. So, this is because stable dollar-pegged assets arriving on an exchange indicates investors are entering the market looking to buy from here on. So, Binance BNB was up by 4.7% to trade at $292. Ripple XRP token was trading at $0.37, up by 0.8%. Cardano's ADA token is next on the list, which is up by 3.3% to trade at $0.51. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $24 at 4.6% strength. Shiba Inu was also higher by 2%. Next on the list is Doge, the popular meme coin. It was also trading higher by 2.1% at $0.068. Polygon Matic was up by 5% to trade at $0.91. Please keep an eye on this news. The Polygon has released a new update for its network and it's also witnessed a surge in transactions during Q2. And so the total Q2 transactions has jumped to 284 million after a 4% surge as well. Average transaction fees have dropped by 49%. So, the blockchain firm has announced a partnership with Nothing to bridge the gap between the Web3 and smartphones. And this is why there is an optimism. So, next on the list is Solana Sol was actually trading lower by 2.7% at $39. So, there is actually a big concern in Solana, which is down by over 4% because of the recent hack in which at least $8 million worth of crypto had been drained from roughly around 8,000 hot wallets, including Phantom, Slope, and Trust Wallet. So, keep an eye on this news. Last on the list is Polkadot, which was up by 3% to trade at $8. So, let's get a technical perspective view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So, let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So this is the daily chart, and as we have, we were talking about this thing that this 22,600 level is an important support level, and we might see that the price, just take up a support here, and then, it will go up again. And the same thing is happening. It looks like, if today's closing happens like higher than 22,600, then, we will get this thing. Now, 2-3 things, I just wanted to discuss here. One, let's say, if today, yesterday, we had seen the price closed above than this support area. But let's say, today, if the price closes below than that, so we have a very important support level in the form of this trend line. So one, we have a support area, which is the support level. Another, we will be having a trend line which will be acting as a support area, and that is very near to the support level of 22,600. And third thing, if the price is constantly creating the higher loose situation, so if that happens, you will see that the price will just go up. And now this time we might able to see a resistance level of 25,800. So that 25,800 level could become a possibility once we will see that the prices it's creating the higher lows and it's just taking the support at 22,600. So this is something you can look at here. Also, one more interesting thing, why the price is not rising much. Again and again I'm discussing this thing in the previous few videos as well, that price is basically lacking the momentum. So the price is rising, it's creating small higher highs and higher lows, but it's clearly showing that there are very lack of trading activity happening. Momentum is not much, and that's the reason the price is not moving much in one direction. So this is for the Bitcoin. We can look for the resistance of 25,800 and we can take up a support at 22,600. All right, now let's talk about the Ethereum. So for the Ethereum, the same situation is there, that price here also it's take a support. It's basically taking a support at around 1600 level, and from there you can see that the price is going up. Now here you can see that one thing is interesting, that the trend line is too far. The price is trading higher than that. It's trading slightly far than than that trend line. Now what you can see here again, you can look at two things. One is that is we have a resistance of 1725, becomes a very important resistance now. And also you can see this 100 EMA level. So the moment we will see a good upside momentum with good volumes, you will see that the price will trade higher than 100 EMA. And if that happens, you will see that in the short term, the future price action may be on the upside only. So this is for the Ethereum. What you can see, you can just take up a resistance at 1725, and we can take up a support at 1510. So this is for Bitcoin, and looks like if today we get a good upside momentum, we will see that the price will go further upside. And if I'll talk about the IC15, so yes, since you can see a small movement in the Bitcoin and Ethereum and almost in all the major cryptocurrencies, and that's the reason the price is not falling much here and is just hovering around at the resistance area. So what you can see, you can take up a resistance at 33,200 and we can take up a support at 29,000. So this is for the IC15, and of course you can see that the price is now trading higher than this particular downward trend line, which is a good sign for the upside. But again, because there is a lack of trading activity in almost all the major cryptocurrencies, and that's the reason we are not getting much momentum in the IC15 too. So I think you can just take up a resistance here and take up a support here for IC15.
Thank you so much, Ayushi, for sharing your technical perspective view. That's all there is in today's The Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.